The most important in hair lineup is the forehead line. You get it? If you mess up, you're gonna miss the whole show. So this person, he first of all cut the C curve, cut the vertical line before the head, the forehead line. You get it? Yes. So as a beginner, always make sure that you are getting the. Follow me for more tips like this on haircut tutorial. The most difficult part in the beard side cut is the mustache. You know, when you get there, you are not careful. You may have a cut on the person. You get it? Yeah.
When you're taper can actually be very simple. Let me show you. We're going to establish our bald line at the top of the arch and where the ear connects to the head, and then we're going to shave that down. And now to start blending up, we're going to come in with the clipper closed and raise up that bald line just slightly. And after we do it closed, we're going to go a quarter of the way and take it up slightly higher. Then we'll come in halfway with the lever and do the same exact thing. And we're going to follow this notch by notch until we are fully open. This makes it a lot easier to get rid of the line in between the open and bald line. And for our next step, we're going to follow the same method. So instead of coming in open, we're going to come in with our one guard closed, and then we'll open it up all the way. And the reason I'm doing this is we're getting rid of the lines as we move up in the blend, as opposed to establishing the guidelines and then getting rid of them. Now the 1.5 is the biggest guard we are going to use, so I came in open and then flipped it around to go with the grain. Now I'm using the corner to detail, and that's how I do a taper. But if you want to go more in depth in your haircut education, comment blueprint down below.
Quem raspa mais? Queimei 22,99 ou a lâmina? Lembrando que não é qualquer lâmina, galera. Essa daqui é a melhor do mercado. Então, hoje vamos estar testando nesse vídeo, utilizando esse cabelo aqui. Então, bora lá. Primeiro, galera, vou estar botando a lâmina aqui, ó, pra vocês verem que a lâmina é aquela mesma, novinha, zero. Tá molhando o cabelo aqui, ó. Molhou o cabelo. E agora vamos lá, ó. Não é segredo que a lâmina raspa muito, né, galera? Ó. Imagina uma lâmina de ótima qualidade, ó. Bem raspado, passei várias vezes. Agora vamos com a queimei 22,99. Lembrando que o link dela vai estar aqui embaixo, ó. Aí me diga vocês, galera, se tem diferença, ó. Lâmina e máquina. Caso você queira adquirir, o link dela vai estar aqui embaixo.
As I always tell you guys that we have different method of getting your hair cut done. You get it? This is someone's strategy. As I always tell you guys that this is a creative industry, so you can always create something for yourself. You understand? As a professional barber, try to be creative, because if you are not creative, because this industry, you cannot go far. You get it? Follow me for more tips like this. This is one hairstylist. You see how he's applying the enhancement and everything. I don't know the kind of enhancement this person particularly is using. You know, after applying it, the hair become very deep than our own. You know, the hair that we use here is not too deep like this. You get it? Follow me for more tips. How to apply enhancement. This is another strategy. You get it? I always tell you guys that we have different strategy of getting your enhancement done. You get it? This is so as a professional barber, you can be creative. You understand? You can create something for yourself, or you can learn from others. You get it? It's very important. So as a professional barber in the barbering industry, you need to know how to apply enhancement, because nowadays it's part of the haircut we are doing. If you don't know how to apply enhancement, you cannot go far. You get it? So do well and make sure you follow me for more.